I'm going to give you some tips for remembering the 5 times table. I'll start off here with the Exploring Multiplication applet. Let me click down the 5 column, and as I do, you keep your eye on the answers to the 5 times table at the bottom of the screen. The numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. So there's a clear pattern here. The final digit of the answers goes 5, 0, 5, 0, and so on. Let me keep going so you can see it. 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, knowing this should really help children to remember the 5 times table. Let me shift over to the Cuisenaire rods applet and I'll explain why this pattern works. I'll start with this yellow rod. That's 1 5. Now 2 5s. And if I get out an orange 10 rod to compare, you can see that together they make 10. Here's a third 5, which is 10 and 5 more, that's 15. With the fourth 5, I can make another 10, that's 2 10s, which is 20. 5 5s is 20 and 5 more, 25. With the sixth 5, I can make up a third 10, so 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35, but 8 5s are 40. There are two key facts here. First, the pattern of the 5 times table is that the final digit of the answer goes 5, 0, 5, 0, and so on. Next, when the number being multiplied is even, the answers always end in 0, but when the number being multiplied is odd, the answers always end in 5. And now I'll go back to the Exploring Multiplication applet and use this information to help work the answers out to a couple of 5 times tables. Let me try 4 5s. Because it's a 5 times table, the answer will end in either 5 or 0, but since 4 is an even number, it should end in 0. I can now be fairly confident that the answer is 20. And let's say 9 5s. Well, 9 is an odd number, so the answer ends in 5, and I can make a stab at 45. And I'd be right. So I hope that helps with the 5 times table.